welcome to a brand new video. In today's review, we're gonna be doing Gadget's Go Coaster at Disneyland, and this is also going to include Roller Skater at Enchanted Kingdom in Laguna, Philippines. Now, I normally don't want to do kiddie coasters, but I just want to do a little bit different so I don't copy anybody else. So, with that being said, I am currently at Japan right now, and I look forward to a new video probably next week. So I couldn't find any good off-ride footages from anyone on YouTube, but this is being used by a YouTuber, and so I'll be using this clip in today's video. I'll just put the name on the top screen because I forgot to check, but definitely I'm borrowing your clip, so just to keep in mind. And so to kick things off, we will start on the review. So this will also include the Gadget Goes coaster at Tokyo Disneyland. So as you leave the station, you will then curve to the left and see some awesome theming. Lift hill, not very tall. Of course, this is a kiddie coaster. And also, this clip is being used from WDW News Today. So please don't get upset. I don't have any footage for this ride. So then, as you crush to the top, you will then curve, depending on how they design the ride. But you'll be curving to the left, and you will do some turns. You'll go like flying past through these theming objects. You'll then turn around again under the lift structure. You'll then go through a helix over the water, and helix in general, and then you will hit the brakes and the ride is over. Pretty short ride. I know it's a kiddie coaster, so technically there's not much to say. Yeah, so basically it is just a kiddie coaster. That's why normally I don't think you're supposed to review kiddie coasters, but again, I'm trying to do something a little bit different so I don't copy anyone. But anyway, so for when you're a kid, so I will only rate this kiddie coasters as when you're a kid. So if you're a kid, you'll probably really enjoy this, but probably you may say it's a little bit boring, but still fun. So I would probably, if I was a kid, I would rate the coaster. I give it a 4 if I was a kid. Again, it's fun but short, but it would be pretty enjoyable for a little one. So if you're a kid, I'd probably rate it about a 4. It's totally a fun roller coaster for a little one. So if I'm a kid, I'll probably enjoy this ride. And the theming for the coaster is pretty good. So I mean, as if you're a kid, you'll probably like the theming on the ride. So technically, this clip is being used by undercovertourist.com, and I'm borrowing the clip. This is the same clip as I was borrowing as from the first clip. So again, my apologies. I don't have any off-ride footages of any rides. So yeah. Anyway, and there's also no good off-ride footage for Gadget's Go Coaster. But like what I said before, I'm also including Roller Skater at Enchanted Kingdom and the Gadget Go Coaster at Tokyo Disneyland. So again, I'm in Japan, and so far it's really nice. It's nice to go to Japan. It's safe, and you're not gonna be in danger. And it seems like there's no homeless and no crime, so it's really safe in Japan. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.